What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? She likes kittens. She likes kittens. She likes kittens. It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. She uses a walker. She uses a walker. She uses a walker. The dog wants to play. The dog wants to play. The dog wants to play. Can I get some help? Can I get some help? Can I get some help? Can I get some assistance? Can I get some assistance? Can I get some assistance? I got a new pair of shoes. I got a new pair of shoes. I got a new pair of shoes. I've seen it. I've seen it. I've seen it. I have seen it. I have seen it. I have seen it. My brother is mean. My brother is mean. My brother is mean. My brother is rude. My brother is rude. My brother is rude. The doctor said to rest. The doctor said to rest. The doctor said to rest. Can I go? Can I go? Can I go? Come to the nearest hotel. Come to the nearest hotel. Come to the nearest hotel. Read carefully. Read carefully. Read carefully. He's in pain. He's in pain. He's in pain. He is in pain. He is in pain. He is in pain. I can pay for it. I can pay for it. I can pay for it. I love you. I love you. I love you. I adore you. I adore you. I adore you. I'm still home. I'm still home. I'm still home. Comment. Learning English is fun. Learning English is fun. Learning English is fun. I like cars. I like cars. I like cars. But she doesn't. But she doesn't. But she doesn't. I hear you. I hear you. I hear you. So will it be today? So will it be today? So will it be today? I hate math class. I hate math class. I hate math class.